Hi, welcome to this Pin Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a links section in FlipperSD CMS. Let's get started. So I'm already logged into my FlipperSD website, and here you can see all the sections or pages that I have on my website. Now we're going to create a links section, and the reasons you would want to create a links section is if you just want a page that your visitors can go to on your website and have a list of links to either external or internal pages. So just kind of a single page, easy for them to find, just a bunch of links that you want on your site, and these can be resources. So that's what I'm going to build now. So the first thing you need to make sure is that you are in the sections area, and then hit add new. And then I'm just going to title this page resources. Again, for me, I just want a page on my website that can be a resource for my visitor that I can link out to different areas or different pages that I want, or any internal pages as well. So I'm going to just name this resources. It created the URL and the title of the page. I'm going to leave it to be top level of the home. And in Flipper SD CMS, you can create different types of sections or pages. So we have articles, download sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the links section, which contains internal and external links. So I'm going to hit save on that. And now I'm going to go to the page, and I named it resources, and as you can see, there are no downloads are currently available, or links if you will. So I'm just going to hit the add new link button here, and I'm going to create my first link. So I already have some text written over here. So I want this to be, I'm going to call this online. Okay, so there it is. And then I want this URL to be, to go to the Pin Publishing website. And I want to put a short description in here. And then I want to add a picture to this link. So I'm going to hit browse, and I already have a picture here ready to go. So I'm going to hit that, and then I'm going to add some alt text here for that picture. I'm going to hit add link. So now my resources page, which is a links section in Flipper, has a link, and if I click this link, it's going to take me externally to the pinpublishing.com website. So by default, if it's external, it's going to open in a new tab, as you saw there. So now I'm going to just go ahead and add another link real quick. I'm going to hit add new link. And again, I already have text here, plans, and I'm going to link to the Pin Publishing online store. I'm going to add a little description here, and I also have a picture for this. I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to add some alt text here, and I'm going to hit add link. And now you can see I have two links on here. So now when my visitors go to the website and they hit resources, they can see a list of links. And again, it can be internal or external. In this video, I'm just showing you external, but you can add an image, and you can add description as you saw, etc. But that's how easy it is to add a link section to your website. You can even, the link section even allows you to reorganize these. So if you want this link to be the first one and this one the second one, you just simply hit these arrows up or down. But it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. So that's it. I hope that this video was beneficial. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about our company, services, and products, please visit our website at pinpublishing.com. If you are on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us there. Please like and follow us. And if you're watching this on YouTube, we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. That way you can get the latest and greatest as we release these videos. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.